There are many reasons why learning a new language is a good idea. It allows you to communicate with new people. It helps you to see things from different perspective or deeper understanding of another culture. It helps you to become a better listener. It even has health benefits, as studies have shown that people who speak 2 or more languages have more active minds later in life. Today we have the opening of our decade at school. Our creative teachers will have many exciting activities. We will be happy to wait for your active participation.
Good day, my dear colleagues. Today we want to introduce you to the beauty of our city and sight of our area. Kazakhstan is an amazing country, which many people call a museum under the sky. Kazakhstan lies at the crossroad of ancient civilization. Many ancient cities can be found there. The royal burial place in the burial area, the Isik burial mound. You will learn about mound and many other things today.
I'm glad to welcome you, dear colleagues. I would like to present to your attention the events dedicated to the English language decade. The first one is a video of a mentor working with a young teacher on April 12th. The second one is a webinar on preparing for the UAT on April 17th. I highly recommend you to watch my video and take part in the webinar. See you soon.
Hello everyone. If you are a young teacher and just starting your career at school, you should definitely take part in my seminar. In this seminar, you will learn 5 effective methods of teaching English, which will take part on 17th of April. You will find out a lot of interesting ways of teaching English, and I'm sure you will be very glad to be at my seminar because it will be very useful for you.
Hi everybody! In our decade, I'm going to run a column Easy English with Umut and create challenge with teachers of biology, physics and chemistry. In a column Easy English with Umut, I'm going to make educational videos about English that could help you broaden your knowledge. In the challenge, we learn terms of biology, physics, chemistry. I hope this challenge would be helpful and useful for you. Everybody can participate in this challenge. Break a leg!
Hello, good day my dear colleagues. As you know, I'm Mulat Gauhar and I'm an English teacher. I will show the work of my gifted and talented students. Their 13th of April on Tuesday. See you. Goodbye.
Good day everyone. My name is Ahmaral. I am an English teacher. I am going to show you my third grade pupils an expressive reading about springtime of April 14th. I think you'll enjoy the performance of my pupils. Don't forget to watch. Smile because spring is here. Goodbye. See you on Wednesday.
Good day, my dear colleagues and students. I'm Danyarka Zadarika and I'm English teacher. On our decade, me and my talented, clever students are going to talk about the history of Great Britain, because Great Britain has a long, deep and very interesting history. For hundreds of years, it has been a popular tourist destination because of famous royals and also because of very interesting culture and beautiful nature. With its wide valleys and scenic coastlines, I hope you will enjoy our trip to the history of Great Britain.
Hello everyone! April 15th, I'm waiting for your answer to my questions, and those who get high scores will receive prizes.
Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome to our English week. I am Kadrinbetova Aygerim. I am English teacher at primary school. Become a quest of the intellectual game Who's Best, which is held in the middle of the 4th grade on 16th April. See you soon. Goodbye.
Hello everyone, how are you? Do you know the meanings of daily words in English? So, are you ready to repeat with us?
Don't miss the video lesson of our students, which will be held on 16th of April.